Amazing beauty benefits of oatmeal for your skin and hair. Many of us start our day with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits and nuts for breakfast. The use of oatmeal for health issues such as high cholesterol, low energy, high blood sugar, and coronary heart disease is very common. Number 1. Fights acne. Oatmeal is a great facial treatment for people who have acne-prone skin. It helps absorb and remove excess oil that cause acne. In addition, it exfoliates dead skin cells and helps maintain the skin's pH level. Number 2. Treats eczema. Oatmeal's anti-inflammatory as well as anti-irritating and soothing properties help ease eczema symptoms like inflammation, redness, pain, itching, and dry skin. Moreover, being a natural cleanser, it helps remove dirt and dead skin cells, which is essential to enjoy eczema-free skin. Number 3. Soothes sun-tanned skin. Mix 1 to 2 cups of oatmeal powder depending upon the amount of sun-tanned skin with enough milk or buttermilk to form a smooth paste. Optionally, add some lemon juice. Rub this paste onto the tan areas. Wait 15 minutes. Then wash it off with cold water. Repeat once or twice a week. Number 4. Softens dry and rough hands. Oatmeal is a good healer for dry and rough hands as it helps soften and moisturize your skin. Moreover, the protein in oatmeal prevents water loss to help keep the skin moisturized longer. Number 5. Exfoliates skin. Oatmeal works as a natural exfoliating agent for any skin type, thanks to the saponins in it. It can help remove dead skin cells, excess sebum, and other impurities. In fact, oatmeal is a powerful ingredient in many facial scrubs and cleansers. Number 6. Treats dry skin. You can enjoy a soothing oatmeal bath to keep your skin hydrated. It can even soften your skin and promote younger looking skin. Its moisturizing property also helps fight skin problems like psoriasis.